Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gelato vanilla updated. Chill your custard base to 4 degrees C before churning to preserve silkiness. Start by scalding milk and steeping vanilla, then temper eggs into warmed milk for a stable custard. Cook gently until it coats the spoon, strain, cool, and age the mix for a few hours. When churning, aim for slow aeration and freeze quickly for perfect creaminess. Use precise ratios to get consistent gelato results every time. A classic base uses 500 ml milk and 150 ml cream with about 120 g sugar, which keeps fat low and flavor high. Split and scrape a vanilla bean, heating seeds and milk to bloom aroma. Temper yolks slowly and cook until just thickened. Overcooking removes silkiness. Chill thoroughly before churning to lock texture and reduce ice crystals. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing recipes. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for music and timers while you cook, which I find handy when timing custard steps. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick one up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Small technique changes make a big difference in gelato texture. Temper yolks slowly to prevent curdling, and cook the custard until it lightly coats the spoon for body. Strain out any solids and cool quickly to 4 degrees C, then allow the base to rest for at least 4 hours to hydrate proteins and sugars. When churning, keep speeds low to limit aeration and produce the dense, creamy gelato you expect.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.